In this training video, we will address how to complete an activity. Once you are in your work order, click on the Activities tab. You have your activities listed in sequence. Select your activity. It will highlight in blue, and the details will open at the bottom. Once you have entered or edited all the details, check the checkbox in front of the completed field. Save or submit. Note that the activity checkbox here shows completed. This concludes this training video.